The whole setup.
I'm going up here to
Okay. Bailey, come over here. Come over here.
Stay there. Stay there, good girl. That's perfect.
I'm digging a hole. I'm digging a way out. You want to dig too? Come on. Come on, let's dig together. We're digging.
You're just destroying my house.
We're digging. We're digging. We're digging. We're digging. We're digging. We're diggers. We dig. We're diggers. We dig. We dig. We dig the walls. We are diggers. We dig the wall.
What are you going to do when you dig through that wall and there's no wall there?
We're digging.
I would have made the walls thicker if I would have known all you were going to do was destroy them.
Dig. Because it's much easier to play with. Dig. You want some more food? Hey. There you go, Bailey. There you go. Nice fresh. Is that good?
Peekaboo, Bailey.
I thought the blue bin was Bailey.
That good snow.
We're digging.
You're wrecking the wall.
No, I like digging.
Bye. Are you saying bye to Sissy? Hi, Sissy's house.
I want to come with you, Bailey. I want to dig my house with this.
Now you're getting at the shovel?
Totally destroying your house.
Dig.
This is what
It
you
didn't take you very long to do this.
worked very hard on this.
Surprise.
I build houses pretty quickly.
Come on, Bailey. Want some more breakfast?
I'm very
Okay, breakfast.
hence the camera.
Right up. Here you go, Bailey.
This is an Amish
Okay, dig.
camera. I hate you.
We're digging a hole. I'm digging a hole, Mama. Dig.